In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your emails from Gmail to Yahoo Mail. This process may seem daunting at first, but I assure you it's quite straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Gmail account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Click on this to open up a drop-down menu, and from there, select See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings page. It's a hub of various customization options for your Gmail, but today we're focusing on the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. It's crucial that we enable IMAP access here. You'll find a section labeled IMAP Access, and underneath, you'll have the option to Enable IMAP. Make sure this option is turned on. This step is important because it allows Yahoo Mail to retrieve messages from your Gmail account. With that done, save your changes by scrolling to the bottom of the page and hitting Save Changes. Now, we need to switch to your Yahoo Mail account. Go ahead and log in or sign up if you don't already have an account. Once you're in your Yahoo Mail inbox, you're going to look for the Settings option again. It's located in the upper right corner, represented by a gear icon, just like in Gmail. Click on it, and then select More Settings from the drop-down menu. In Yahoo Mail's settings page, you'll see a section on the left titled Mailboxes. Click on this to open a new set of options. Here, you'll select Add Mailbox. You'll see various email providers listed, including Gmail. Choose Gmail from the list. A new window will pop up, prompting you to sign in with your Gmail account credentials if you haven't already done so. Enter your information and grant Yahoo the necessary permissions to access your Gmail account. Don't worry, this is secure and necessary for the transfer process. Once you've given the required permissions, Yahoo will start importing your Gmail messages. Keep in mind that this process can take some time, depending on how many emails you have in your Gmail. You can continue using your Yahoo Mail in the meantime, but it's always a good idea to frequently check if the import is progressing smoothly. If you encounter any errors, ensure you've correctly followed each step, particularly the enabling of IMAP in Gmail. And there you have it. By following these steps, all your valuable emails from Gmail are now in Yahoo Mail, so you can access them with ease. Thank you for tuning in and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips.